Mosquito otaku here. So, what should I say? On this one, okay, this. On this one, my goal is to tell you this. The purpose and the goal for the channel is one thing and one thing only, yeah? Education, entertainment, and talking shite. A lot of shite. I'll be talking a lot of shite of anything and everything that I'll be reading and recommending, and in the future I'll be reviewing. But let's just start on recommendations, yeah? I'm burning. I'm actually in darkness, so yeah. Anyways, since Mosquito Otaku is here, I've been told by a lot of guys that I have good material when it comes to reading. But to be honest with you, the authors of the manga, manhwa are just on another level when they're making all this stuff. So from today on, I think I'll start on a daily basis to be giving you guys recommendations on what to read, what you should expect of it. I'll do my best not to give spoilers because at the moment I have an idea of how I want the whatever how I want the content of the channel to be, but I don't know how I can be like telling you and showing you guys how this thing is. So you'll bear with me for the first like 20 videos while I get the hang of what I have in my head to what you guys will be listening to. But at the moment, just prepare yourself and make sure you hit that subscribe button today. Make sure you hit that sub. I actually don't today, right now. Hit that subscribe button now. So we'll basically start with the action, shonen, seinen. Then we'll be moving slowly by slowly because I want to like broaden, but initially you'll feel like it's kind of biased to a specific side or genre. And oh, the reason why I'm scrolling through webtoons is this is like one of one of the only of the few that I know you'll get a lot of manhwa from here. This is one of the places where I'll be referring you guys to go read, or in the next, no, let me just do this here. There is an app on a phone that can help you read manga, manhwa, even comics. You know, DC, Marvel, all those comics. You can get them on your phone in one app, all of them. Okay, two separate apps. This I would strongly recommend. One is Tachiyomi, of which the author of Tachiyomi technically said that they won't be releasing any updates. So, if you choose to go with Tachiyomi, well and good. I'll leave a link in the description, so please check. And Mihon is going to be updated. And if you are using Tachiyomi and you decided you're moving to Mihon, you can actually migrate. I think migrate is the best term to use. You can actually migrate all your comics, manhwa, all of them. You can migrate them to Mihon without actually messing around, as long as you know the folder that you had put your stuff in. And the other thing, the repo links. I'll actually add some repo links down in the description for that manha, for Mihon or Tachiyomi, for you to use. And if you don't know how to work with Mihon or Tachiyomi, there are people who are on YouTube, they've already done that. So what I'll do, I'll go check on like 2 videos. I'll look for the best one that's so fast, so simple that you don't waste your time. I'll leave the link in the description so you can go and check and hit the subscribe button. So why in the world am I doing this? I apologize. So why in the world am I doing this? I spend a lot of time reading stuff, and I find people struggle getting good stuff to read. It's kind of explicit. So if you find it difficult to find stuff to read, then voila, you have come to the right place. You have come to where you will get what you need. That juice. That you are coming to Lookism here. Anyways, I'll be talking a lot of shit. There'll be a lot of disaster. I hope I don't may crash the breaking YouTube guidelines. But anyways, as long as we get to like, okay, I'm not supposed to be opening this, but this is just for me. This is just selfish for me because this is one of my current reads, and I'm like, wow, it's a new chapter. But sadly, no new chapters. It's just telling me 198 is coming up. Anyways, that's all for today. We'll be expecting another video coming up from tomorrow. All the links will be in the description. Hit the follow button, hit the like button. And before I complete this up, yeah, so us guys have this group link, not a group link, we have this group, yeah. It's a group full of, for lack of a better term, I'd say weebs. Why am I saying this? Yesterday we had a trivia. What trivia was it? It was a weeb trivia in matters regards to anime. Okay, here's Lookism. If you didn't know, I made a joke about Lookism. This guys been talking about this throughout. I don't even know what Lookism is all about. I've seen fashion, I've seen fighting, and I'm like, what is this Lookism about? So I'll be venturing into reading Lookism. It has like very many chapters, so I know I'll be binging like nobody's business. What was I saying before I started talking about Lookism? Yeah, so about our trivia. We actually had a trivia where the guys were the one of the boys, he collected a list of matters in regards to anime or manga, manhwa. Then he was like asking questions. It was back and forth, back and forth. I missed yesterday's session. It was so terrible. Me missing, I don't know why. But the answers that I scrolled through, guys were answering the trivia. It was so funny. It's so fantastic. And the way guys were active, it was just something else. So I'll be shouting out the guys because why? They recommend to me some of the things that I've read, some I will read, because there's this whole list that you guys will be going through and you'll get to understand like where this is cool stuff out here. Anyways, that is all for the episode of today, and you better get yourself ready to hear me talk a lot of shite and also give you a lot of recommendations on the good stuff that's out here. Anyways, that's all for today, folks, and I'll see you guys in the next video.